Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So, we are going to be making mulberry leaf tea today. In Jamaica, it's not, traditional for Jamaicans to make mulberry leaf tea. However, in other cultures around the world, it's quite popular and it's said to have amazing health benefits. So, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to make this tea, and I'm going to share some of the health benefits that you can get from drinking this tea as well. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Mulberry leaf tea comes from the leaves of this tree, which is a mulberry tree. Mulberries are a part of the Moraceae plant family, and there are many species of mulberries found in warm, subtropical, and temperate climate zones around the world. This particular species of mulberry produces fruits that are red when they are immature, and they change to this dark purple color, at times tinged with red upon maturity. So these are what the fruits look like, and as you can see, they bear similarities to blackberries in terms of the size, shape, and color. And there are other varieties that ripen into red, pink, or white colors as well. Mulberry leaf tea contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It can help to bring blood sugar levels down. It has anti-inflammatory effects, which means that it can help to prevent and treat diseases like arthritis, for example. It can help to lower bad cholesterol and help to protect us against heart disease. It can help with weight loss. It can promote healthy blood vessels, and it can help to enhance the eyesight and prevent eyesight loss and retina degeneration. And guess what, guys? It does not have any caffeine, so this makes it a good choice for those of you who are trying to limit caffeine intake, or for later in the day when you don't want caffeine in your system to interfere with your sleep. Recipe. This recipe will yield roughly about 2 cups of mulberry leaf tea, and for your ingredients you're going to need either 2 to 3 tablespoons of green leaves or 2 to 3 teaspoons of dried leaves. However, I'll be using green leaves in my demonstration. You're also going to need 2 cups of water and the sweetener of your choice. So the first thing that you're going to do is to put your water to boil. Then, meanwhile that is being done, you're going to wash your leaves properly. Then you're going to go ahead and cut your leaves into small pieces. Next, you're going to measure the required amount of leaves needed, and by the time you're finished doing this, your water should have started to boil. So you can go ahead and turn off the flame and add the leaves to the hot water. Then you're going to cover the pot and allow the leaves to steep for about 10 minutes. Then you are going to strain the liquid into a cup. And at this point, you can go ahead and sweeten with the sweetener of your choice. I prefer to use honey. However, you don't have to use any sweetener at all. You can have your tea plain. The choice is up to you. So there you have it, your mulberry leaf tea. So you can go ahead and sip on this and reap the amazing health benefits. If you are diabetic, it is highly recommended for you to speak to your doctor first before consuming this tea, because as mentioned previously, it can reduce your blood sugar. This tea also has high levels of potassium, which might have a negative effect on people with kidney complications. And if you're pregnant, please monitor your daily intake of mulberry tea, as there could be some side effects even though this tea has no caffeine. If you would like to take a look at some mulberry tea brands, then I've included a link to an Amazon page in the description below. However, please note that if you decide to purchase any of these items, I will receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. There are dangers associated with the use of herbal remedies. If you would like to learn more about the latter, then please click on the link in the description below. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.